DGN, Bansudara, Gomsar and Nagavali division, including two state committee members, Nikhil and Hindu. They have surrendered before Rayagada police today, and this is a major milestone for our fight against Naxalism. And after their surrender, the Maoist organization in Odisha has further weakened, and there are only few Naxals left in the state, and mostly they are now confined to Rayagada, Kandhamal, Kalahandi and Balangir. And in the coming days, with our forces, CRPF, BSF, SOG, DBF, we will conduct anti-Naxal operation with more vigor, and I am certain that we will be successful in eliminating the Maoist violence by 31st March. And I also appeal to remaining Maoists who are still holding on to violence to renounce violence and join the mainstream by surrendering, and will provide all the assistance as per the surrender policy to them. They have surrendered with 14 arms that include two AK-47 rifles, 5 SLR, 1 INSAS, 1 303, 1 Sten gun, 1 and 4 single shotguns.